Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create an perfect ad group in Google Ads. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. Then simply go to that browser and type in Google Ads in the search bar, and then what you need to do is simply go to the first website from here. And once you are here, what you need to do is simply click on the sign in button or the start now button according to your preferences, and then it will simply take you to a dashboard like this. And from here what you need to do is simply click on the campaigns icon in the left hand side, and after that you have to simply expand the campaigns option from there, and then you have to just simply choose the ad groups from here, and then simply click on the plus icon from here. And after that, here you can see now it will give you a chance to select a campaign. So from here simply click on the campaign 1 or the preferences that you currently using, and then here you can see that the option of setup ad group is showing here, and after that simply give all the informations here, and then just simply click on save and continue. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.